Welcome to the channel. This is 3-bit weighted resistor DAC. The reference voltage, input reference voltage is 2 volt. The feedback resistor divided by input resistor, which means gain is 2. The input for the input 110, we have to find out the output. First is D0 bit, then D1 bit, then D2 bit. 3 bits are given to the resistor value. The input is given 101. As I consider this is MSB, this is LSB bit. So position of the LSB is 0th, position of the second bit is 1st, position of third bit is 2, which means that MSB bit has maximum weight. Let's say it is given 4R. So D0 is MSB bit, this is 2R, D1 is middle bit, and LSB is R, which means D2 is LSB bit. This is the input to D0, D1 and D2 to the inverting terminal of the operational amplifier. The non-inverting terminal is connected to ground. Feedback resistor is R1. This is the output voltage. This is simply summing amplifier. Here the output voltage, this is equal to input is applied to the inverting terminal, so the gain is negative, minus R1 by R. If you are taking R common, we are getting the bit with different positions. D0 divided by 2 raised to 2. This is MSB bit. Middle bit is D1, 2 raised to 1. And the LSB bit is D0, 2 raised to 0. In this case, input voltage is V reference VR voltage. Input output voltage is negative gain. Since input is applied to the inverting terminal, R1 is the feedback resistor divided by input resistor R into the number of bits as per the positions. So D0 divided by 2 raised to 2 plus D1 divided by 2 raised to 1 plus D0 divided by 2 raised to 0 into input reference voltage. As I consider here, 1 is MSB, 0 is LSB. Then we are going to put the values of the bits, the gain what they provided, minus 2. As I consider 1 is MSB and 0 is LSB, so what I am getting 2 raised to 2, rest of the bits 0 divided by 2 raised to 1, 0 plus 0 divided by 2 raised to 0, 0 into reference voltage is given, that is 2 volt. So what I am getting, output voltage, which is equal to minus 4, 2 into 2, 4 divided by 1 by 4. So what we are getting, output voltage is minus 1 volt. But if I consider 100 and this is LSB bit and this is MSB bit, then what will be the solution? Output voltage, this is equal to, we know that gain is 2, R1 by R is 2, MSB bit is 0 divided by 2 raised to 2, 0. So D1 is 0 divided by 2 raised to 1 is 0 plus D0 is 1, which is divided by 1 into the reference is 2. In this case, what I am getting, output voltage, which is equal to minus 4 volt. This is the solution of this problem. Thank you.